Hi guys, so in the spirit of Women's Day today and celebrating queen bees, which we'll elaborate on later, we are building a bee hotel. Women's Day is about celebrating the women in our communities, homes and workplaces.
And what better way to celebrate than helping nature's hardest workers thrive too?
This is a simple project that we're doing today to help the pollinators in our gardens and the queen bees in our lives.
When most people think about bees, they mostly think of honeybees, right? But
most of our pollinators are actually solitary bees.
they're gentle, non-aggressive, and they help most of our gardens thrive.
A bee hotel helps these pollinators to nest, rest and raise the next generation.
And the best part?
You don't need complicated materials.
Most of these items are easy to source.
And you may even have some already at home.
Starting off with the simple box frame.
We are using an open front simple wooden box with a small roof area to keep the nesting area dry.
Next, we're going to prepare our bamboo canes and stems.
So while you're cutting your bamboo, now is a good time to snap your twigs to size as well.
Different sized openings attract different species.
Variety is key.
Now comes the fun part, filling the hotel.
Pack your materials in tightly. We do also recommend using a few dots of wood glue to make sure nothing moves when the bees land inside.
Our bee hotel is starting to take shape.
Once your bee hotel is complete, placement in the garden is very important.
Placing ours next to flowering plants so our bees have enough food source.
A bee hotel works best when surrounded by nectar-rich plants.
The more food source available, the more attractive your garden becomes to our pollinators.
This Women's Day, we're celebrating the queen bees in our lives
while creating a safe space for pollinators to thrive.
Happy Women's Day!